Hello everyone, and welcome to today's quick guide on navigating the cybersecurity roadmap. In just 5 minutes, we'll explore key steps to ensure your digital world stays safe and secure. I'm your host, Abbayi, and let's dive right in. Cybersecurity is crucial in our interconnected world. Whether you're an individual or a business, protecting sensitive information is paramount. Today, we'll outline a concise roadmap to guide you through this ever-evolving landscape. First up, assess your digital assets. Identify what needs protection, albeit personal information, financial data, or business secrets. Knowing your assets is the first step towards building a robust cybersecurity strategy. Next, understand the threats and vulnerabilities. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats. This knowledge empowers you to proactively address potential risks and vulnerabilities in your systems. Now, let's talk about passwords. Implement strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Consider using a passphrase, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. And remember, don't use passwords across multiple platforms. Regularly update your software. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Ensuring everything is up to date is like locking your digital doors against potential threats. Another layer of security is multi-factor authentication (MFA). This adds an extra step, requiring more than just a password to access your accounts. It's like having a second lock on your digital doors. Educate yourself and your team. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and provide regular training. A well-informed team is your best defense against cyber threats. Regularly back up your data. In case of a cyber incident, having a recent backup ensures you can recover essential information without significant losses. Implement continuous monitoring. Detect potential threats early and have a response plan in place. Quick action can mitigate the impact of a cybersecurity incident. And there you have it, a quick guide to navigate the cybersecurity roadmap. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and staying vigilant is key. Thank you for joining us today. Stay safe, stay secure, and until next time, this is ITఅbA signing off.